just got my 1837 Brunswick Rifle delivered in untouched condition. I'm a little concerned though. The box has a hole in it. I know that they say it may be missing a few pieces. They give you a list of parts it may not have. Let's just hope I have the majority of those. What we got? Like this stuff in here. Okay. So, first, I guess this is the bayonet here. Actually, a pretty cool bayonet. Little dinged and cracked, but overall good. That's good enough. See if it'll slide on. Pretty cool. All right, well, that's so far so good. Pretty crusty. It's missing the whole lock mechanism. That I was not counting on. Let's see if that's in the box. Oh, here it is. There's the lock. Okay. Alright, so let's see what we got. This in the butt plate. This in the lock. Have the brass cap. Let's see if there's enough here to make the rest of this go. There's the hammer lock right there. Here's the patch box. Here's the butt plate. I don't know if it's a reproduction or reproduction made in India. It requires some fitting too, but that is big enough to make it work. This, I'm not really certain how this would fit in here. Notch out. This could just be a lot of elbow grease, but we can make this work. There's the part. There's the piece. Require some TLC to make it fit. Overall, it could have been a lot worse, so it's something that's workable. I can make this look good. Could have been a lot worse. All right, well, here's all the parts. These two are reproduction. They're gonna have to get fitted. The hammer and everything's all here. Just gonna have to get soaked in oil. Luckily, the only piece that's actually missing is the easiest to duplicate, and that's one of these brass pieces that goes right here. So it's complete, other than that one little piece of brass, which thankfully, that's the easiest thing to make a copy of. So it's pretty nasty looking, but I think it has a lot of potential. It should be a lot of elbow grease, that's all. All right, I'm gonna pack this hammer assembly and the plate away, but before I do, I'm going to coat everything with a little WD-40 to let it soak with a little bit of lubricant on it. hope loosen it up when I finally get to it. Okay. Keep a lookout for part 2, the disassembly of the rifle.